Unveiling the world of customs cooperation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that plays a significant role in international relations and trade: customs cooperation. It's a term you might encounter in news, business discussions, or while studying global economics. So, let's explore together what it means and why it's important. Stay tuned as we unfold the layers of customs cooperation and its impact on the world. Customs cooperation refers to the collaborative efforts between countries to facilitate the smooth movement of goods across borders. This involves various activities, such as sharing information, harmonizing procedures, and mutual assistance in customs matters. The goal is to ensure that while each country protects its borders and collects due taxes, trade is not unnecessarily hindered by bureaucratic obstacles. Customs cooperation is crucial for several reasons. Enhances trade efficiency by simplifying and standardizing customs procedures. Goods can move more quickly and predictably across borders, benefiting businesses and consumers alike. Ensures security. Cooperation helps in combating illegal activities, such as smuggling and trafficking, by sharing intelligence and best practices among countries. Economic growth. It promotes international trade, which is a key driver of economic growth, creating jobs and fostering innovation. Cultural exchange. Beyond economics, the efficient movement of goods also facilitates cultural exchange and understanding between nations. Several international agreements and organizations exemplify customs cooperation. World Customs Organization, WCO, an independent intergovernmental body whose mission is to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of customs administrations. Bilateral agreements. Countries often enter into agreements to mutually recognize customs controls, thereby reducing duplication and delays. Customs unions. Regions where there are no customs duties between member countries, and a common external tariff is applied to non-members, like the European Union. Customs cooperation is a cornerstone of global trade, ensuring that goods move efficiently and securely across borders, fostering economic growth, and promoting international harmony. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of customs cooperation and how it affects our global economy and daily lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language and its practical applications. Stay curious, and keep learning.